Me and Qtip were sitting around doing what we was doing. We was track stars. You know, we was practicing the relay where you hand off that piece of glass to one another. And I said something about Sir Isaac Newton. He said, I know who that is. Boy, my ears popped up. Because see, old Qtip, he wasn't too strong on the reading and writing. He's more about the warring, the muscle. And I said, do tell, please. He said, that's the guy with the apple. Explain gravity. I said, yeah. I said, how you know about that? He said, well, I was on that top tier at third tier in Varner. He said, they're passing that deuce at K2. He said, that boy hit that at K2. He took out that cell and proved Sir Isaac Newton true. He said he jumped that rail trying to fucking fly. He went, ah! He hit the fucking ground and broke his neck. And he said, right then and there, I knew the law of gravity. I said, yep, that's how it works. Listen, Leroy Holman may have made some mistakes. I love him. Always will. His picture will be up if you want to send him some money or a letter. That's who Qtip is. God bless you. Fluid English.